If you guys are enjoying your vacation, make some noise! Now how about the view? Make some noise if you're enjoying the view. Think about the view over there. My name is Hawaiian, and today I'll be sharing with you guys how we husk open a coconut, how we crack it, squeeze it, and make some coconut milk. Are you guys ready for that? Perfect. Now your first step into your coconut journey is locating the coconut. Everybody say new! New in Hawaiian means coconut, but we're not looking for any old coconut now. It's gotta be a nice ripe brown coconut. Whether it's from the top of the tree or the very bottom. When you pick it up, you're gonna shake it. The coconut. If you can feel and hear the water on the inside, that means it's ready to husk open. So husk it open, we're gonna use a special tool. We're gonna use this guy right here. Everybody say, all new! Translation, stick. So I'm gonna take my coconut, pierce it as hard as I can. Push it down on one side of the coconut and repeating this process over and over again until the husk is completely removed. But back in ancient Polynesia, everything was a competition. From the cooking, cleaning, husking the coconut. The record for the men to husk open the coconut is 3 seconds.
That's painful.
For the ladies, is 2. Woo! Too long. I'm just joking, ladies. But back in ancient Polynesia, all the men, they did all the cooking. Does that sound nice, ladies? So by a raise of hands, how much men still do the cooking today? Raise your hands, men. Raise them up high.
Not dessert.
All right, put them down. You guys are all liars.
Daddy.
Woo! Now here's the shell free from the husk. Everybody say ta-da! I did it in slow motion for you guys. But the next thing we're going to do is crack it, but there's a few things we need to look for. Now every coconut has 3 dots. It has 2 eyes and 1 mouth, and running from the front to the back of the coconut are 3 lines. That's the sweet spot you want to hit across. Crack the coconut into 2 pieces. Now you can use a hammer, you can use a machete, but we're going to keep it old school today. I'm going to use my forehead. Are you guys ready for that? I said, are you guys ready? Are you guys crazy? Yeah, I thought so. No. Instead, we're going to use this guy right here. Everybody say pohaku. In English, everybody say the rock. In Samoan, Dwayne the Rock Johnson. So I'm going to take my coconut, locate the face, find one of the 3 lines, and crack this bad boy open. You guys ready for that? Perfect. It's my first time, so a little heads up. Here we go, folks. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! All that water that came out of the coconut, very good and nutritious for the body. And it's great for hangovers. But the white meat on the inside, that's what we want to grate out to make some coconut milk. In order to do that, we're going to need an even bigger tool. Everybody repeat after me. Ba'uniu. One more time. Ba'uniu. Close enough. This is our Hawaiian food processor. So I'm going to take my seat, take 1/2 of my coconut, and with a grinding edge, I'm going to grate out all this coconut meat. But this process, it can take a long time. I'd say about 2, maybe 3 hours. 3 hours, yeah. 3 hours sounds right. All you guys need to do is sit back, relax, take pictures and videos. I like videos. But while I do this, let me tell you about a delicacy we love to eat here in the islands. We call it the coconut crab. Everybody say, ooh, ooh. One more time, ooh, ooh. This crab was so good we had to name it twice. And these crabs were massive. Their claws, they're about the same size of our hands. But like the name suggests, it loves to eat what's on the inside of the coconut. And the way they get to it, they use their massive pinchers to pry open the coconut. And these crabs, man, they were so smart. They would take the shell that was on the inside, hold it above their heads, climb straight up a coconut tree and drop it, hoping that it hit the ground hard enough to crack open. Then they would crawl down and eat up all that coconut meat. Pretty cool, right? I seen that the other day, like on TikTok, like yesterday. But the way we find them, we search for their home. They love to dig big holes right underneath the coconut tree. And the way we get them out,